Welcome to one of my favorite parts of Singapore in the Central North region, Bishan, where the beautiful park is situated at. Imagine waking up every morning next to the park that motivates you to go for a walk in the park that helps you to unwind and keep fit. Moreover, there's a spa within the nature that can help you relax and pamper yourself with a massage. Isn't it perfect for us ladies? This condo is smack right in the middle of Ang Mo Kio, Marymount, Bishan MRT and Junction 8 shopping mall. Upcoming Tekki MRT will be just opposite Bishan Park, and there's eateries, supermarket and wet market just opposite. One of my favorite is the cafe and restaurants at Clover Way. How convenient it is! And if you want to go to the shopping mall, just hop on to the shuttle bus to go to the Junction 8 shopping mall, and it's just minutes away to the stadium and sports hall. Hi everyone, I'm Rachel Lim from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful development at Clover by the Park. It has a total of 616 units on a land size of 21,000 square meter. Look at how far the two towers are apart that gives residents good privacy, and you get to enjoy the best of both worlds with full condo facilities and huge park at your doorstep. Welcome to this 3-bedroom rare unit on the premium stack. This unit is 1292 square feet, which has square-ish functional layout and comes with a kitchen yard. It comes with a spacious balcony that allows you to put your bicycles. The best part is it has unblocked view and the balcony, and you get to enjoy the view of NBS and fireworks. You will hardly find this layout for sale, so don't miss it. Do call me Rachel Lim for an exclusive viewing at 9683-9763. See you soon!